welcome back to my channel. Today, I have an unboxing by Causebox. Or is it Alltrue? Because yes, Causebox did officially change their name. They are no longer Causebox, they are Alltrue. Kind of feels like a little bit of a random change. I don't know if I'm the only one that feels that way. I kind of like the name Causebox, so I'm a little bit curious as to their reasoning behind switching it. I did read on their website the statement that they kind of put out, which I'll briefly read to you guys real quick if you haven't checked it out. So they say they changed the name from Causebox to Alltrue because they needed a name that better represented their mission to build a community that brings truth, kindness, and goodness to everything that they do. That's their official statement as to why the name change. I kind of wonder if there was another reason that they made the switch, because I didn't think Causebox was a bad name, but who knows. But yeah, so this is gonna be the Alltrue. That's gonna be interesting to get used to saying. Summer 2021 box. This one literally just arrived at my door, so I'm excited to dig into it. I do pay for my own subscription. I am an annual member. So for me, the boxes end up coming out to $49.95 a box, but I do pay a lump sum in advance of double checking. It's $199 something, basically $200 for the entire year. Whereas if you are a season to season box member, they come out to $54.95. I had to double check the price there. So that's the price of the box. I always like to mention that before we dive in. Let's check it out. Here's a little sneak peek at the inside of our box. We got this season's themed postcard here. This little pamphlet here is kind of explaining their name change a bit more. And then lastly, we got this giant pamphlet of all the items that could have been inside of this box. So we are just gonna be diving right into this box right away here. I am gonna be doing the normal routine, going through all the choice items, giving you all the options that we could have gotten, the ones that I got. This month, this box is a complete surprise to me because honestly, I forgot I was still signed up for Causebox, so I didn't make any choices. I got the email confirmation that my box had shipped and I was like, when was I supposed to have selected this? So, this shall be fun. Let's begin with choice number 1 here. So it looks like there were 3 different choices this time around. We had ourselves the 5-piece nesting bowl by Bamboozle. Second was the Mana Hydration, the nautical cooler tote. Third, the Enchant Home oversized roundy towel. Here, I can't be too picky this time around because I totally forgot this box was coming in. And it looks like I got the Bamboozle. I got the nesting bowls. So we got the mini white, the orange, the yellow, the green, and then of course the light blue. Has that kind of look to it where it looks like it's got some texture to the bowl, but it doesn't, because I'm pretty sure these are made out of bamboo. I was correct. 70% bamboo fibers, 15% cornstarch, and 15% resin is how they made this. It's repurposed and biodegradable. That's nice. They say it's also dishwasher safe. Yes. I don't know about you guys, but I hate hand washing. That's not what I like to do. If I can stick it in the dishwasher, I will. But it does say do not put it in the microwave. Moving on now to item number 2. We had 4 choice items for this one. So the first one, we got a set of 4 waffle dish towels with a canvas holder by Golden Pine. Second was the Reduced to Go bowl. Third, the My Tagalongs set of 3 packing cubes. And fourth was the Cola Tree packable hammock. Dang, that would have been cool. Packable hammock. But it looks like inside of my box they chose for me the My Tagalongs, the 3-pack packing pod system. Not pods, cube system. Let's take a quick look at these. I got a set of storage cubes, zip up. They honestly remind me a lot of this one by FabFitFun, but those ones were huge. They fit a lot of clothes that you can kind of separate out. These ones I could probably work in with the other ones and just keep smaller items in. Immediately it does feel a little bit thin and flimsy in the material. The other one that I have is a very sturdy kind of material, so it kind of holds its shape, so as you're putting things in, it's a little easier to lay things in because this just flops over. Oh wait, there's a bigger one that was inside of that one. Okay, so that was actually the smallest one, so this is the smallest size Here we got the medium, and then here's like the large one. So maybe you can kind of see the size comparison here. It does say that these are actually made out of the recycled plastic water bottles, so that is awesome. I just still do kind of wish that they were a little bit more sturdier in the material. But that was the second item now for our box. Let's move on into our third, which this one only has 2 choices. First item was the Small Hours Traveling Cutlery Set. The second was the Solo Stone Bracelet. And the one that I ended up getting was the Solo Stone Bracelet. Here's what she looks like. It is a silver-plated brass bracelet. And the little gem that's right in here is cubic zirconia. Plop it on my wrist real quick. There she is. Cute little bracelet. I got some crazy poofy sleeves right now, but she's on there. I like that they kept it very simple, kind of elegant with this design, just having the silver chain with the one gemstone. I really like that. Item number 4 now. This time there was 2 items, but they were of the same brand. So you could either receive the Cosmetics Retinol Serum or their Mattifying Moisturizer. And the one that I got was their Retinol Serum. I've used Cosmetics in the past. I remember it because it has this interesting name where it looks like Cosmetics with like D-I-X, but you say it like Cosmetics. It's a very tricky little name and I like it. Let's see, their retinol serum is plant-based, supposed to help improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leave the skin hydrated, and they say it's formulated with something called bakuchi oil? That's not right.
It's pronounced bakuchiol.
There we go, that's how you say it. There was a video where people were mispronouncing it just like me. But that is apparently an alternative vegan botanical retinol and is supposed to help with the skin's appearance, to help it brighten. Item number 5 now. We got 2 items again. First was Way of Will, a brightening face serum. And second was the Brand with a Heart OMG Leave-In Conditioner Blend. And I ended up getting the OMG Leave-In Conditioner Blend. Nice large bottle of product here. It's formulated with superfruits. They have a protein complex that's supposed to provide color and heat protection. Silky smooth, frizz-free, bouncy, bodylicious, full locks with amazing shine. And you just put it through your damp hair, comb it through, even distribution, and bada bing, bada boom. You got yourself a leave-in conditioner. We're definitely gonna see how she does. Never heard of or tried this brand before, so she'll be put to the test. And then finally, our very last item inside the box. This was an item that everybody received. They put in the box for everyone the Hawaiian SPF Lip Trio. You received 1 unscented version, 1 Island Mint, and 1 Tropical Citrus. And they say it has SPF 15 in it, which is definitely really good. I mean, lips is the one thing you probably never think about putting SPF on. And it's also got the vitamins A, C, and E in it. They say it also has some antioxidants, and it's made with a, I gotta read it here, kuki nut oil. And of course, in typical lip balm fashion, it's supposed to restore your lips. But that was officially our last item inside of the box, so we ended up getting a grand total of 6 items inside of the box this month. I always say month, it's quarter. And in total for the value of this box, now these items don't come with a price listed, and some of these items are actually very hard to find online if you are trying to look them up afterwards. Some of these items are made exclusively for certain boxes, so what I could find for these items is the value that I'm kind of getting. So I'm basing this on 3 items that I could find the value of, and then the other 3 is finding similar products that they sell, not the exact same one, but similar ones. So based on my research for the value of this month's box, I'm getting a grand total of $223.97. Again, I may be off by a little bit just because of the way I'm getting those numbers, but overall, as far as the items go for this box, I feel like I was a split 50-50 in the middle for this box here. I was excited about 3 of them. I did really like this bracelet. I think it's cute. Leave-in conditioner, can never have too much. We shall, of course, have to see how that does on the hair. And then the bowls. These ones were one of my favorite items. And then the other items, it's funny, I get really excited about leave-in conditioners, not even if I haven't tested them yet, but you know, retinol and serums, I get a little more skeptical with because my skin can be a little bit sensitive. I feel like with the hair, it's a little less. You know, if you have a bad leave-in conditioner, it's not as critical with, whereas the serum, you know, you can break out and things like that. So that's why this one's on this side. The lip balms, although a good practical item, it's just a set of 3 lip balms. Not exactly the most exciting of items. And then the set of 3 travel bags here. I just wish they had a little bit more structure to them. Just my initial first impression of them, just wish they were a little bit more structured for my items. So yeah, I am split down the middle here with this box. 3 items I was really excited about, 3 items I'm kind of like meh about. That's one of the things I think I've started to notice with Causebox now. I've gotten it quite a few times where I've kind of gained a little bit more understanding on their kind of style, and it definitely seems like they are a little bit safer with their items. So if you are looking into getting Causebox versus, say, FabFitFun, it's a good thing to kind of keep in mind that Causebox is a little bit more on the safer, kind of more practical side of items. They don't really have any, like, wow pieces, if that makes sense. That's the one thing that I've kind of noticed with them. But yeah, that is my opinions on this summer 2021 box. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought about this one. Were you the same kind of like 50-50 on the box, or did you love it, you hated it? Let me know down below. But I still hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!